So friends, let us learn to use vinculum numbers in Urdhwatiryak multiplication. When do we use vinculum numbers in multiplication? See, when the numbers given consisting of the digits which are greater than 5, I am talking about the value of the digits. Okay, for example, if it is 298, if this is one of the two numbers, in this 3 digits number 9 and 8 are greater than 5. That means these two digits are bigger digits, greater digits, and we convert such digits which are greater than 5 into negative digits by applying the Nikhilam Sutra, Nikhilam Navata Sharamam Dashatah. That means we convert this number into vinculum number. So what is the benefit of converting given number into vinculum numbers? See, when there are bigger digits, see, what are bigger digits? The digits greater than 5, that means 6, 7, 8, 9, greater than 5. When given number contains such digits, then calculations become tedious, stressful, little difficult. So we convert such number into smaller ones by converting such numbers into negative numbers by applying the Nikhilam Sutra. Such numbers are called as vinculum numbers because vinculum numbers are nothing but the combination of positive and negative digits. And the benefit of converting normal numbers into vinculum numbers and using vinculum numbers into multiplication is that multiplication becomes easy. How does it become easy? See, if it is 6, value of 6 in the vinculum number will be either 3 or 4. See, depending upon the place of this 6. Okay, 7. If it is 7, then its values will be 2 or 3. If it is 8, then its value in vinculum number will be 1 or 2. If it is 9, its value will be 0 or 1. Negative, of course, negative. Okay, see, these digits, converted digits will be negative. The benefit of using vinculum numbers into the multiplication is that multiplication becomes easy, oral. It becomes so easy that orally you can multiply, orally you can calculate. So let us solve a couple of examples. The first example is 279 multiplied by 387. Look at these two numbers, 279 multiplied by 387. See, in the multiplicand 7 and 9 are bigger digits, and in multiplier 8 and 7 are bigger digits, greater digits. Why? Because these digits are greater than 5. Value of these digits are greater than 5. So let us convert both of these numbers into vinculum numbers. First of all, let us convert this 279. Let us convert it into vinculum number. Which are the digits to be converted into negative digits? See, 7 and 9. 2 is previous to such digits. So calculate the ekadhik of this 2, which is 3. Now apply Nikhilam Sutra on these two digits, all from 9 and last from 10. Subtract this 7 from 9. 9 minus 7, 2. And this 9 is last digit in the given number. So subtract this 9 from 10, which is 1. And change the sign of these two digits on which we applied Nikhilam Sutra. 321 with last two digits, that means 2 and 1 are negative. This is the vinculum form of 279. Now let us convert 387 into vinculum number. 387. Calculate the ekadhik of this 3 because we are going to convert this 8 and 7 into negative digits. So which is previous digit to such digits? which are greater than 5? 3. Calculate the ekadhik of 3, which is 4. Now apply Nikhilum Sutra on these two digits. 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 7, 3. Change the signs. It means, friends, vinculum form of 387 is 413 with 3 and 1 negative. Now let us multiply these vinculum numbers. See, 321 multiplied by 413. So let us multiply it. Yes. First column, starting from right side. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 3. So write positive 3. And let us do this multiplication by one-liner method. We will not write answer in parts. We will write answer directly here by using one-liner method. In one-liner method, we write units place digit and carry higher place digits. So step number 2, join second column to previous column. Now consider these two columns. So multiply the digits in these two columns crosswise. Negative 3 multiplied by, see, negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 plus negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, which is equal to positive 6 plus positive 1, okay, which is equal to 7. Write 7. Step number 3, now join third column to previous two columns. So multiplying the digits in these three columns, how to multiply? Consider two outer columns, first and third. So negative 3 multiplied by 3, that is minus 3 multiplied by 3, minus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by minus 1, 4 multiplied by minus 1, negative 1 plus, now consider middle column. So multiplying the digits in single column vertically, so negative 1 multiplied by negative 2, that is minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to minus 9 plus 4 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 4 plus positive 2, okay, negative negative positive, which is equal to minus 13 plus 2, that is minus 11, okay, minus 11. So write units place negative 1, that is minus 1, and carry negative 1, minus 1. Step number 4, now exclude first column and consider these two columns. Minus 1 multiplied by 3, minus 1 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by minus 2, 4 multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus minus 8, which is also equal to minus 11, plus add this carried digit, negative digit, which is equal to minus 12. Out of this minus 12, write units place digit minus 2 and carry higher place digit minus 1. See, this is carried. Now friends, exclude second column and consider third column, single column. So multiplying the digits in single column vertically. So step number 5, 4 multiplied by 3. Step number 5 is 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 plus carried digit minus 1, which is equal to 11. Write 11 as it is. Write 11 as it is. Let us write answer 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 7 and 3. See, neglect these carried digits. This is our answer, 1,12,173 with this 2 negative and this 1 negative. So this is vinculum number. So let us convert this vinculum number into normal number. Write 1. Now 1 is previous digit to negative digits. So let us calculate a commune of 1. That means subtract 1 from 1. Reduce this 1 by 1. You get 0. Now apply Nihilum Sutra. 9 minus 2, 7. And this is last negative digit in this number. So 10 minus 1 is 9. And write this 7 and 3 as it is. So 1,07,973 is our final answer. So in this way, using vinculum number in the multiplication makes your calculations easy, simple, and maximally it is mental, oral. Let us solve another example. Second example is 3,891 multiplied by 4,999. In the multiplicand, 8 and 9 are bigger digits. So let us convert these two digits into negative ones. In the multiplier, we have three bigger digits, 9, 9 and 9. So let us convert these three nines into negative digits. Okay, so write multiplicand 3,891. Let us convert this normal number into vinculum number. We are going to convert this 8 and 9 into negative digits, which is previous digit to such digits which are greater than 5. This is 3 here. So let us calculate ekadhik of this 3 and write 3 plus 1 is 4. Now apply Nihilum Sutra on this 8 and 9. 9 minus 8, 1. And last digit which is greater than 5 in this number, 9. So subtract this 9 from 10. 10 minus 9, 1. And write this one as it is. Okay. So change the sign of these two digits which have been converted into negative ones, or on which we applied Nihilum Sutra. Second number 4,999. So ekadhik of 4 is 5. Apply Nihilum Sutra on these three digits. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And last 9 should be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Change the sign of this 1. So let us multiply these numbers now. 4,111 with middle two ones negative multiplied by 5,001 with last one negative. Step number 1. Starting from right side. Let us solve this example also by one-liner method. So starting from right side, consider first column, multiplying the two digits vertically. Okay, so negative 1 multiplied by 1, minus 1. Write minus 1. Step number 2, join this second column to first column, multiplying crosswise. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, plus 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1, which is equal to plus 1. See, this term is 0, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is 1. So write 1. Step number 3, join third column to previous two columns. Now three columns, so multiplying the digits in these three columns. So consider first outer columns, this column and this column, first and third column. So multiplying the digits in this two column crosswise. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, plus 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1, plus now middle column 0 multiplied by minus 1, 0 multiplied by minus 1, which is equal to, these two terms are 0, again it is plus 1, it is plus 1, write 1. Step number 4. Step number 4, join fourth column to previous three columns. Now there are four columns. How to multiply the digits in these four columns simultaneously? Consider outer columns first and multiply the digits in outer columns crosswise. So minus 1 multiplied by 4, see, minus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus, now consider inner two columns, multiplying the digits in these two columns crosswise. So 0 multiplied by minus 1 plus 0 multiplied by minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 4, minus 4, negative 4, okay, plus 5 plus these two terms are 0, okay, which is equal to negative 4 plus 5, that is positive 1, okay. So write 1. Now step number 5. Step number 5. Now friends, it is time to exclude. See, we have covered all of the 4 columns. Now let us exclude first column and consider last 3 columns. Let us consider these 3 columns. So 3 columns. So consider first 2 outer columns in these 3 columns. So this is outer column and this is outer column. So multiplying the digits crosswise, 0 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by minus 1, 5 multiplied by minus 1. Now middle column, 0 multiplied by minus 1, which is equal to 0 plus minus 5, negative 5 plus 0, which is equal to negative 5, minus 5. Okay, so write minus 5. So step number 6. Write these 5 steps first. Pause the video and write these 5 steps. Step number 6. Now friends, exclude second column also and consider these 2 columns. 2 columns, so multiplying the digits crosswise, 0 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by minus 1, 5 multiplied by minus 1, which is equal to minus 5. Okay, so write minus 5. Step number 7. Now exclude third column also and consider last column, fourth column. 5 multiplied by 4, single column, so multiplying the digits vertically. So 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 5 4s are 20. Write 20. Friends, we wrote answer in one line. Let us write answer here. 2, 0, negative 5, negative 5, 1, 1, 1, negative 1. This is vinculum number. Now let us convert this vinculum number into normal number. Let us convert it. So 2, 0, and after 0 there are negative digits. Okay, but here it is 0, so let us consider this 20. Calculate ek noon of this 20, which is 19. Calculate ek noon of this 20, which is 19. Why we are calculating ek noon and writing? It is because after this 20 there are negative digits, and while converting vinculum from vinculum number to normal number, we calculate ek noon of the digit which is previous to negative digits, and after that we apply nihilum sutra to negative digits. So we calculated ek noon of this 20 because this 20 is previous to negative digits. So calculated ek noon of this 20, wrote here. Now let us apply nihilum sutra. 9 minus 5, which is 4. Now this is last negative digit because after this negative digit, negative 5, there are positive digits. So this negative 5 is considered to be last digit, negative digit. So last digit should be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Write this one and stop here. Don't write this one, because after this one there is another negative digit. So this 1 is previous to this negative digit. So calculate ek noon of this 1. 1 minus 1, 0, and subtract this 1 from 10 because this is the last negative digit. Whenever there is single negative digit in the given number, then we consider that single negative digit as last negative digit and subtract it from 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. Okay, so this is our answer. 1,94,51,109. So friends, this is how you should use vinculum numbers in multiplication, Urdhwatiryak multiplication, to make calculations faster. Okay,